Hi, this video we are going to talk about the logical operator in a decision statement. We use logical operator when we are dealing with multiple test conditions. The first logical operator is the OR condition. OR condition returns true when either one of the condition is true. Another operator is the AND condition. AND conditions return true only when all conditions are true. Let's look at the OR operator. We have this example. Day equals to 7 and age equals to 3. If we have a condition like this, if day equals to 7 equals to 7 or age is less than 3, we print free admission. We see that the first test condition is day is equals to 7. And the second test condition is age is less than 3. All operators says that it returns true when either condition 1 or condition 2 is true. Look at this example. Day is 7. So day equals to 7. This test condition returns true. Age is 3. This test condition age less than 3 will return false because 3 is not less than 3. And if we have an OR, it will returns true because OR operator returns true when either one condition is true. So in this case, this condition is true, it returns true. As long as one of the condition is true, it will return true. You will see this statement printed, free admission. Using the same example, we change the age to 1. Let's run through this example. Day equals to 7 is true because day is 7. Age less than 3 is also true. In this case, all condition will also return true because it just requires any one of the test condition to be true. So if it is one condition or all conditions is true, it will still returns true. You will see free admission printed. For this case, we change the day to 6, the age to 5. Now day equals to 7 returns false. And age less than 3 is also returning false because 5 is not less than 3. When you add them together, it returns false. So in this case, you do not print anything because this OR condition will return false for this case. Now let's look at the AND operator. We have day equals to 6, age equals to 5. First test condition is day is greater than 5. The second condition, age is less than 4. The AND operator says that it returns true only when all conditions 1 and 2 are both true. So working through this example, day is 6. 6 is bigger than 5, so this returns true. Age is 5. 5 is not less than 4, so this condition returns false. And this AND operator will returns false because one of them is false. It only returns true when both conditions are true. So in this case, nothing is printed. If we change the day to 4 and the age to 3, for this example, day is bigger than 5 is returning false because day is 4 and 4 is not bigger than 5. Age less than 4 is returning true because 3 is less than 4, so this is true. But it will still not print this statement because AND condition will return false since one of them is false. So you don't print anything. Look at this example. Day equals to 6, age equals to 2. So day bigger than 5 returns true because 6 is bigger than 5. Age less than 4 is also true because 2 is less than 4. In this case, both conditions are true and will returns true. And you will print weekend kids land. Now look at this output. If we ask the user to enter your grade and store it in a variable grade, and we want to check if the grade is a big A, capital letter A, or lowercase a, we print good job, else we print work harder. So let's say you ask user to enter the grade and user enters B. What is the output of these codes? You realize that it shows good job instead of work harder. But why? I thought we are checking grade is equals to big A or small a, then we are going to print good job. So if the user enter B, is going to print work harder. Why is it printing good job instead? Now we know that B is not equals to A, and this will return false. But how about this? This will return true because this is not really a test condition, it's a string. So in this case, if this is always true and you have an or condition, this is always returning true regardless of what the user entered. And this happens to be a very common mistake. So how do we check for both upper and lowercase a? We do it like that. If grade is equals to big A or grade is equals to small a, this is a proper test condition, while this is not a proper test condition. Let's look at another operator, the NOT operator. NOT operator flips the result. So let's put through this example. Day equals to 4, age equals to 21. We create a variable called isWeekend and we test whether the day is bigger than 5. So of course, the day is bigger than 5, weekend will be true. If the day is not bigger than 5, weekend will be false. So isWeekend is a boolean variable used to store the result. Imagine if you want to check for a condition where it's not a weekend and the age is bigger than 21 and we print is weekday adult cloud. This is how we do it. We put the not here. In this case, it will print weekend adult cloud. Let's work through this example. Day is equals to 4 and 4 is not bigger than 5. So this thing returns false and the false is stored in this variable. When we check if not is weekend, because this is false, so not will flip the result and returns true. So this returns true because it's not a weekend. And your age is 21, which is bigger than or equals to 21. This also returns true, which is why it prints weekend adult cloud, because both conditions are true. This is one simple example where we can use the not in a test condition. This is the end of this video. If it is helpful for you, please help to like the video.